How to change text-to-speech voice on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, go to Accessibility as shown. From here, you can personalize iPhone in ways that work best for you with accessibility features for vision, mobility, hearing, speech, and cognition. Go to the Vision section at the top and tap on Spoken Content. On this page, go to Voices. Choose any language from here. For example, English. Go to Voice again. Tap on the download icon beside any voice that you like from here. After that, tap on it to play. This way, you get more control over your experience with the device and how you use it. Following these steps, you can easily change text-to-speech voice on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.